Namaste, I'm Upasana Khosla. Welcome to Sri Anand Yog Dham, my channel on YouTube. Today we shall understand how to chant Om in the correct manner so that we are able to attract good luck in our life. Om chanting is a form of yoga meditation where the sadhak fixes his mind on the mantra Om and meditates upon it. Om chanting is also known as Pranav Jap. It is considered to be the best form to meditate upon. Om is practiced by reciting the sound mantra Om repetitively in coordination with the breath, maintaining a particular rhythm. Though the word Om has no particular meaning, it is considered to be a supreme form of prayer where the sadhak completely surrenders to the sound mantra Om, deeply uniting with his inner self. By surrendering to the sound mantra Om, we learn to accept things, situations, people. In normal life, when we use the word to surrender, it indicates a sign of weakness. But according to yoga ideology, to surrender means a victory. Because according to yoga ideology, to surrender means we are ready and willing to completely give up that limited idea of who we are in terms of name, date of birth, place, etc. and are ready and willing to make place required to experience who we really are. There are three ways to recite Om. Vaikhari, where Om is recited aloud. Upamshu, where Om is recited in a soft whispering tone. And Manas, where no sound is heard. That is, Om is recited mentally. There are three ways to pronounce Om. First, where O and M are pronounced in equal matra. Second, where O is long and M is short. And third, where O is short and M is long. The best way to recite Om is in a soft whispering tone, where O is short and M is long. An important thing to remember is that in between two japas, you must learn to pause so that during this pause, you are able to allow the vibrations of Om echo in your mind even after the sound has been terminated. If you have practiced correctly, then you will hear the sound even after you have stopped reciting. Yoga is all about synchronizing. It is interesting to know how Om is recited in sync with breaths. Inhale deeply, and as you begin to exhale and release your breath slowly, start reciting O in short, followed by M, which should be long and stretched as per your breathing capacity. It is important to remember to hold your breath after exhalation before you take your next inhalation and begin your next Omkar. The miracle of Om is that once you train to retain your breath in Bahir Kumbhak, you will feel the vibration of Om echo in your mind even after you have stopped reciting your Omkar. Keep reciting Om as you begin to see your mindset turn positive and you notice positive happenings in your life.